Haley and Tristan had to come back to Alabama to get some furniture for their baby's room. And it worked out perfectly because they were here for Caden's birthday breakfast. So me and her got in the kitchen this morning. This is Tennessee Pride hot sausage. She's going to work on the pancakes. My mom and daddy didn't get to see them last weekend or this weekend so far, so they're about to stop in on the way to church to see them and give her a hug and see that baby bump. I'm getting these eggs in. We used all the milk for the pancakes because we don't like to make the pancakes with water, so we ended up making the eggs with water. And we're cracking up because Haley said she has a frog butt on her pancakes, and I had no idea what she meant, so she showed me on her phone, and this is what she meant. That girl, I tell you, she's a mess. I'm going to get some bacon grease in this pan and get the eggs going. We just did quick and easy this morning so we could eat breakfast together before they had to get back on the road. Caden got to fix his first. This is his golden birthday, which means he's turning 12 on the 12th. I made him wait till he got done eating to open his present. And look, Mom and Daddy got here to pop in just in time to get him a piece of sausage and a pancake if they wanted some. And, of course, they brought the birthday boy a card, too. He got a couple of Xbox gift cards. He's always so sweet. He reads the cards first and acknowledges what it says. Now, this is his gift from me. Still reading that card first. He's so sweet. Now, for the most part, he didn't know what I got him, but he did know about the big thing. His phone was in horrible shape, so it was time for him to get a new phone. But he didn't know about this. He got a little rubber band set. The kids love to make those rubber band bracelets. So I got him a whole box of different colored rubber bands. And then what he's opening right there is some sunglasses, goggles for the pool. Isn't that so neat? I got those from Amazon. They come with built-in ear plugs and little nose clips in case you need to hold your nose underwater. And then I got him a silver chain. He's been wanting a chain. And other than that, he just got his phone case and his phone. He knew what this was. He opened the phone case first. But he was really excited to be able to do that upgrade. It was very much overdue. So I would say that was a successful birthday. And then Mom and Daddy had to leave and go to their church. Haley and Tristan can never stay long on Sunday mornings because they got to head back to Georgia. But we spent a few minutes looking around in the yard, hitting some golf balls. I'm already getting some buds on my muscadine vine and my peach trees. So that's exciting. Got some pretty flowers blooming. And y'all, I got this gorgeous Japanese maple in my yard. I just love it so much. Haley and Tristan likes to get out there and hit that golf ball, and then Remy goes after them. This is a big pile of brush on the edge of the yard, and that thing was going all the way up under it, hunting for different little things up under there. There's no telling what he's found in there. But he was having the time of his life. He didn't come out with any golf balls, but I was really afraid he was going to come out with a snake in his mouth or something. Haley and Tristan's like, oh, don't worry about it. He's just being a dog. And then we decided that every year on Caden's birthday would be when we opened up the pool. So he was the first one to dive in. I'm about to put the ham in the oven, and then I'm going to go get in there with him. He wanted y'all to see him do his handstand. And then Haley and Tristan had to leave so they could head back to Georgia. Happy Sunday, y'all. I love you. Stay classy.